Good morning, friends. Once again, we have to consider the derivative in continuation with that. So, next one aspect we have to consider derivatives of implicit functions. So, the functions of the type as we consider, there are two types of functions basically. Y equals to f of x, those are called that explicit functions, but f of x comma y equals to 0. Those are called implicit functions. So that means you can say the variables x and y are not separated easily. So to calculate the derivatives of implicit functions, following steps are used. First one, as far as the given implicit function is concerned, we have to differentiate the given implicit function in all with respect to that x. Then after, second step, separate the terms of dy by dx and the terms of without dy by dx. Finally, calculate the value of dy by dx by using that terms properly. So for example, as we consider, then we have to find out dy by dx if that value of implicit function point of view x raised to 5 plus x into y raised to 3 plus x square into y plus y raised to 4 equals to 4. So we have to differentiate this implicit function first of all with respect to x. So the value of that 5 into x raised to 4 plus we have to differentiate by using that product rule for second term x into 3y square into dy by dx plus y cube into 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus y into 2x plus 4y cube into dy by dx equals to constant point of view derivative 0. Then after once again just collect the terms. So the terms of dy by dx point of as we consider, then you can take the dy by dx common 3x y square plus x square plus 4y cube into dy by dx equals to minus the terms without dy by dx y cube plus 2xy plus 5x fourth. So finally that value of dy by dx it is in bracket y cube plus 2xy plus y 2xy plus 5x raised to 4 divided by 3xy square plus x square plus 4y cube. Then after next one, second example, y cube plus cos xy equals to x square minus sine of x plus y. So given value point of view again differentiate with respect to x. So 3y square into dy by dx minus sine of xy. Composite function point of view derivative of xy we have to consider x into dy by dx plus y by using product rule equals to 2x minus cos of x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx. So therefore 3y square equals to 3y square into dy by dx minus x into sine of xy into dy by dx minus y into sine of xy equals to 2x minus cos of x plus y minus cos of x plus y into dy by dx. So therefore the modified step as far as that the terms of dy by dx and without dy by dx point of view, that value of dy by dx it is numerator 2x minus cos x plus y minus y into sine of xy divided by 3y square minus x into sine xy plus cos x plus y. Third one example again, root x plus root y equals to root a. Again differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of root x 1 upon 2 root x plus derivative of root y 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx equals to root 8 is a constant. So derivative equals to 0. So 1 upon 2 it is common. So if we take then it becomes 0. Because of to the right hand side 0 it is there. So 1 upon root y into dy by dx equals to minus 1 upon root x. So therefore dy by dx equals to minus root y upon root x. So finally it is square root of y upon x. Now